Hello, AP. This is Mr. Salinas. I wanted to go over the student virtual notebook, and I wanted to set some expectations and kind of walk you through this for those that were not there. So you know that period one is going to have a short turnaround time. I really advise you to check out the website. This is my website here. Again, it's pretty simple to navigate, but just so you kind of have an idea when our first period exam is, you're going to go to calendar, and then you'll see that our first exam is actually Friday the 18th, which is already next week. So it's important that we get going on the student virtual notebook, that this is going to be assigned to you. It's going to be assigned to you actually tomorrow. So hopefully this video will be helpful. So every student virtual notebook will have these sections that we call events, people, and things. And in those, we're going to, as a team, the AP team has decided to pick certain vocab words. Now, because again, the turnaround time is so quick, we had to choose ones that we wanted, and period one is actually our, one of our smaller units. So that's why you'll notice that there is less items, but that will change as we go through each period. So you have 3 events that you need to identify. This is all going to be from your textbook. So you need to make sure you have a textbook. And the goal by tomorrow is that everybody should have one, including remote learners who were supposed to pick that up. Again, if you are having issues with that or you don't have a textbook, you will need to let me know. Okay? All right, for people, you have here about 5 items. Things, you have about 5 items. Okay? Then you get into the images and the videos. So one of the assignments here, when you're working on this as an assignment, you're going to watch this video here, and please don't be alarmed because the video is so small there. You can click on here and expand it, open it up another window. Again, I highly recommend you having headphones or your AirPods or earbuds, whatever you have, so you can have some privacy if you're in your home or even at school. In any case, you'll watch this video. It's Tom Ritchie, who's very well respected among the AP world circle, I guess you could say. So to watch this video and then go ahead and annotate some notes from these regions from Native Americans. So again, get the information from the video, make sure you're writing it down right here. Here's an example of one where you will utilize your textbook. I ask you to go to page 8 through 9, and then I ask you to describe the impact of maize cultivation on Native American groups. You would put that answer in here. You just highlight this and you can begin your typing. Here you have a video. So this is the Casta painting. So I asked to explain what the Casta painting is based on this video, and then to elaborate a little bit more on that. So make sure you're following those prompts. Here I ask you to go to page 14 in your textbook, exactly where you would read, and then again, follow these prompts and you would provide me information in this little text box that's ready to go. You have a document analysis form here. So here you have 2 historians, and I give you a prompt here that I want you to address using evidence from these. Okay, so just make sure that you're doing that to the best of your ability. Same thing here, we have 2 different accounts, and then follow this blue prompt here, and I ask you to write it in this text box as well. And then finally, the reasoning processes. For this one, we'll look at causation. That's one of the important, I guess you could say, developments that we do in AP US History. Is one of the higher order skills that we do is understanding cause and effect, and in this case, causation. So in this one, we're focusing on the Columbian Exchange. So in other words, what occurred in the exchange after Christopher Columbus named after him the Columbian Exchange. Specifically, I say describe one way that the Columbian Exchange affected Native Americans, and then also describe one way it affected Europeans. There's many different ways you can kind of go with this. There's a lot of stuff on the Columbian Exchange. Here's an example again of the Columbian Exchange. Look at your textbook, and then I'll address the prompt for this specifically. Again, this is Student Virtual Notebook, period 1, and this will be due towards the end of our time period. So we'd be looking around the 17th. You really want to have it no later than the 17th. just because I need you to be prepared for the pre-read exam. And again, a lot of that's going to come from those virtual notebooks that we developed. All right. So again, hopefully this is helpful for you guys, and I will see you guys all very soon. Have a good day.